Paris, 1900. Creation of the Société des Forges et Ateliers de Meudon, known for manufacturing gyroscopes, pneumatic mandrels, and car parts. A well-known manufacturer of air compressors decided to merge with the company. MAC3 Meudon was born. Acquired by Soulair in 1990, the group became a global center of excellence for all subsidiaries and distributors. 20 years later, Thunderbolt. Soulair decided to cease its activities in Europe. Result? Closure of the Montbrison site and 120 employees laid off. Former employees have come together, driven by the desire to preserve this know-how and keep it alive. We are witnessing the birth of MAC3 to offer its partners a broad and complete solution. MAC3 will find renowned partners to manufacture products that meet the needs of the market according to its design and specifications. Together, they decided to start all over again, and that's how MAC3 was born in Saint-Cyprien. And to go further, they are creating an Pole Air Industry, the innovation laboratory of their industrial division. The first products come out of the workshop, which consists of 5 pneumatic hammers, a rough casting tool, and a sandblaster. The following year, MAC3 took action and launched a new range of mobile compressors for construction sites, covering a flow range from 2,000 liters per minute to 5,000 liters per minute. To control the design and deadlines on the key elements of these tools, MAC3 decided to buy its main subcontractor to machine the cylinders and pistons in-house, the centerpiece of the tools.
And it's one of our little industrial nuggets. The new MAC3 company without an H has been released. At the beginning, all 6 of them were subcontract, a maximum of activity, and then gradually they swelled the workforce. They wanted to internalize as much production as possible, and the company today, as you can see, makes 45% of its sales abroad internationally.
It is taking a new step, international. The company is expanding its presence and now exports to more than 50 countries. Recognition followed. MAC3 joins the BPI Excellence Network. To respond to growth, in 2014, the company increased its production area for the first time, with an extension of 1,200 square meters. Subsequently, the Ergo was launched, the new range of low-vibration concrete breakers that meet the guidelines of the law on the hardship account. This is their first patent filed. In 2016, MAC3 took a new step by establishing itself in the United States, and for the first time, the company participated in Bauma, the world's largest construction trade fair located in Munich. Between 2017 and 2020, MAC3 was on all the sites: new construction products, air pick, small petrol compressors, and new industrial solutions, turnkey solution with compressed air containers, or nitrogen production system. Not to mention their entry into the French fab. These years marked a strong turning point driven by the energy and commitment of an entire team. Once again, in 2021 and 2023, MAC3 continues to grow. The company acquires a 1,000 square meter building, then builds a new 1,500 square meter extension to deal with a lack of responsiveness from some suppliers. MAC3 decided to create its own sheet metal factory. MAC3's offer continues to grow. MSP 7,000 and 10,000 for export. MSP 11,000 and 12,000 with Stage 5 engine for regulated markets. MSS oil-free range. MSTS 2-stage compressors. An offer that is constantly expanding and testifies to MAC3's ambition.